Hi, superstars! In today's class, we'll be talking about different areas of palm oil business and how you can make money from it. Okay, so many people know just a few areas in palm oil business, which is palm oil storage business and palm oil reselling. But there are actually other areas of palm oil business which you can make very good money from. Those areas are not saturated. Okay, my superstars. So in this video, I'll be telling you other ways you can make money from palm oil. And I'll be giving you guides on how you can get knowledge, full knowledge about it. Alright. So you're welcome, my superstars. I remain Edith Young. I'm based in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, I buy and I sell palm oil. So if you need palm oil, you can always reach out to me at any time. All right, let's delve into the topic of today. All right, so we have different areas of palm oil. Like I said earlier, we have palm oil buying and reselling. We have palm oil storage business. We can also make money from palm kernel. Yes, we have palm kernel, which is a byproduct of palm fruits. All right, you can make lots and lots of money from palm kernel. All right, we also have palm oil plantation. If you can also make money by having a palm oil plantation in Nigeria, and even palm oil packaging. Okay, my superstars, lots of people are making good money by packaging palm oil. So my superstars, let's get started. Let's start from the one you have not heard about before, which is palm kernel. Palm kernel is the byproduct of palm fruit. All right, and palm fruit is what you actually extract palm oil from. So after extracting palm oil, it is left lying there. The palm kernel is left right there. And my superstars, do you know what? Very few people know that you can actually make money from palm kernel. By selling palm kernel, you can make money. By processing palm kernel to get palm kernel oil, you can also make a lot of money. But so many people don't know it, my superstars. So now you know. So all you have to do is walk into any mill and ask for palm kernel. It is always available in bags. Okay, like I did a video, I showed you a video. In my last video, you would have seen bags of palm kernel stacked right there waiting for customers. So it is always available. But before buying palm kernel, you need to carry out your own research and find out places or companies that need palm kernel. We have lots of companies that use palm kernel as their raw material. They have machines where they break the palm kernel shell and get the palm kernel fruit itself, and from there they go ahead to crush and extract palm kernel oil from the palm kernel. This palm kernel oil has a lot of use. Okay, my superstars, so it is a business on its own, separate from palm oil storage and all that, and the market is not saturated. So my superstars, I've done a video on how to start palm kernel business in Nigeria. The link is in the description box. Go and check it out for more detailed knowledge about it. All right, my superstars. The next area is palm oil packaging. Okay, so many people are not into packaging of palm oil. People would rather buy, store, sell. Some people resell palm oil. But we are in the days where people want packaged products. Packaged products is trending. People want valuable products. Products that are healthy. Products that are people are more conscious about their health. So if you go into palm oil packaging, my superstars, you are going to make money. All right, so I've done a detailed video on how to start palm oil packaging in Nigeria, how to make your packaged palm oil sell. Okay, so I'll leave the link in the description box. Lots and lots of videos on how you can start palm oil packaging in Nigeria, things you should look out for, and how to sell your packaged palm oil. So my superstars, go and check it out. There's lots and lots of value out there that can help you kickstart your palm oil packaging business in Nigeria. Okay, my superstars, the next thing we'll be talking about is how to make money from palm oil plantations in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. Okay, so you don't need to own a palm oil plantation to make money. Yes, you can actually go rent a palm oil plantation and harvest the fruits from that plantation for 2 years, 3 years, or a year and sell the palm fruit itself. As at now, a head of palm fruit goes for like 2,000 naira in some local government areas in Akwa Ibom State. Okay, so imagine your palm tree bears like 40 heads. Okay, do the math and imagine you have a palm oil plantation you had rented and it makes a lot of fruit. So my superstars, you can actually make money from palm oil plantation, from renting a palm oil plantation, or either owning your own palm oil plantation. If you want to own a palm oil plantation, then you know that a palm fruit bears fruit after being planted for after 3 years. The newly modified palm fruit bears fruit after 3 years, some 4 years. Okay, so you know that after planting for like 3 years, you can start making money from your palm fruit plantation. And if you're like, oh, I don't want to own a plantation, I don't have what it takes to start a fresh plantation and all that, you can actually rent a plantation and harvest all the fruit from that plantation and sell it and make good money from it. So my superstars, this is another area you should think of. If you're from a community where they have vast lands that is not used and very cheap lands, then you should think about making money from owning a palm oil plantation. Go to that community, buy that land, plant that palm fruit, and make money from it. Go to that community, get that cheap land and get that newly modified palm fruit, plant it, and in 3 years you are making money. And you know the great thing about palm fruit is that once it starts fruiting, it fruits forever, for the rest of your life. So you keep making money yearly from palm fruits you had planted once, and that's it. Maybe once in a while you get labor to like weed around, uh, fumigate the place and all that. You keep making money from forever from palm oil plantation. So my superstars, if you didn't think about it, then you should think about it. Okay, my superstars. So that takes me to the next area, which is how you can make money from palm oil. All right. You can actually make money from palm oil buying and reselling and from palm oil storage business. Okay, so I get lots and lots of questions like, ID, between palm oil buying and reselling and palm oil storage business, which one is more profitable? Which one is better? Okay, my superstars, this topic is broad. It is really broad. So how about this? I don't want to take this video for too long, so let's talk about this in our live palm oil buyers, sellers, and millers connect every Saturday by 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, 18:00. Okay, in Nigeria, 18 GMT in Nigeria. So let's talk about it in details tomorrow, Saturday, by 6 p.m. on Palm Oil Buyers, Sellers, and Millers Connect. I'll tell you between palm oil buying and reselling and palm oil storage business, which one is better. Alright, my superstars, so if you love what you've heard, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video. Share this video to that friend who's been thinking of what to do to make money. Share this video to that sister who has been contemplating on how to start palm oil business in Nigeria. Share this video, my superstars, so you can reach out to so many people who need this knowledge as well, and God will bless you. Thank you, my superstars. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And don't forget that I'm your plug for freshly milled palm oil. I'm in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, where we have the best palm oil in Nigeria. So if you need palm oil from Nigeria, from Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, please send me a chat on 070-444-81914 and I'll give you the best. Okay, my superstar. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Right, superstar?